Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm just going to do a quick analysis of gold. This is what I do on a weekend, ready for when the markets open on a Monday, especially for when London session opens at 8 o'clock. Let's go ahead and get started. On the weekly time frame, I'm going to drop the price between two levels where you have a support and resistance. You've got a resistance here and you've got a support. Once you've got two levels, you move on to the daily time frame. You want to repeat the process. You want two levels. I do this in every video, guys. You should be able to do this. It'll take you a couple of minutes. My daily levels are in red. You've got a daily level there. You've got another one here. You then go into the H4 time frame. You're going to do the same again. You've got a H4 level here where it's a low high. What you could do is you've got a trend line here as well. As you can see, price is looking bearish from its all-time high. So you could do a trend line just to aid you with your visualization in terms of where price is going next. This is on H4. So what I'll do is, you've got a lower high here and a lower high here. This is the most recent lower high. So I'll do that in yellow. And now we need a lower low. So you've got a level here from the previous here candle. You've got another one there, and you've got it where it is at the moment. Then you go into the H1 time frame, which is your intraday levels. As you can see, look how clean the chart looks on H1. You go into this tool here, fib retracement, do from the previous lower high, which is here on Friday, where the wick is, drag it down to the most recent lower low, and this is where price is at the moment, and this is your intraday levels. So then you can draw resistance in blue. You can have it any color you want. I just prefer these colors, I'm used to it. And there you go, simple as that. How easy is that? It took me 2 minutes to do that, top to bottom analysis. So now price is at this level here. It's within the trend line, as you can see. If I put the Fibonacci tool back on, price is at support. When London session opens tomorrow, there could be a chance of a buy trade. It's not 100% guaranteed because we are in a bearish formation, but if it does, then this would be my setup here. I look for a buy, and my target would be, if it's 100%, it would be here. If it was 78.6, or even here, this is a good retracement. You've got a nice lower high here on the 61.8. Let me just zoom in. Let me just highlight that as well so you can see it. You've got to visualize where price can potentially retrace to. Because you've got a lower high here, this is a potential level which falls on the 61.8. So if I do look for a buy trade, that would mean my TP1, and if it breaches it, it'd be TP, it would go all the way up to here. And obviously, as you can see, you've got the trend line, it's respecting the levels, it's going up and down, we're still in this trend line as well. However, because the candle is quite bearish, price can also carry on going down. So if price does go down and you want to sell trade, you'd have to breach this support and make it act as resistance, and then you'd have your levels here. TP1 would be 23 and TP2 would be 61. So if I just highlight that, TP1, TP2. And why would I enter a sell trade if price does this? Where is it? Brush. So it'll breach it, then it'll act as resistance, this level, and then it would retest it, and then it would go down, TP1, TP2. That is something that you can visualize. Or, like I showed earlier, you could retest it, support, and go up to this level here. So I hope you enjoyed my analysis. Really simple to do the analysis. What's hard in terms of trading is getting your stop loss accurate, and also the entry time frames. So remember, this is just your analysis time frame. If I was to enter, you'd go in the M15 time frame, and then you just look for a candle formation like this is a good candle, and then you just buy it and then just leave the trade. Don't keep an eye on it, and then just you've entered it, you've done your part, which is the analysis part, and then if it hits your target profit, great. If it hits your stop loss, that's fine. You just repeat the process. Remember, you only need to win 4 trades out of 10. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that analysis, guys. That was my analysis on gold and my potential setup for what I expect come Monday morning. So I'll leave it as that. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.